chair's hella far over here. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. My hair is a little new and I'm loving it, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for this box, and let me open it and show you why. First of all, the fact that we put Fragile on the box, I love it because she's important. Let me show you. Not only was everything like $4.20 from the Melt Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure I got this on the Tickety Talk. It might have been their actual website. I'm not 100% sure. The packaging though. I didn't get a whole bunch of items. Nothing that like, oh, goes together. Bubble wrap. Let me show you what I got. First and foremost, I really wanted this collection, but she was out of my price range. This is the Bailey Sarian times Melt Cosmetics Fatally Yours 2. Come on. This is like a little, first of all, mirror. Cutie patootie, right? Does this come off? Because I want to use you. At first I was like, oh, I have my own mirrors. They're cute. No, this was only $10. I had to pick it up. Come on. Look at this. Ooh. Bailey Sarian, Fatally Yours 2. Super cutie patootie. I don't know if I'm going to like that noise. I mean, in theory, you could take that off. I don't think I'm going to. I usually put my mirrors like in a cup. So this should be okay. It's pretty flexible. I think it'll be alright. I think this is only like $10. And I really wanted the whole collection, but like again, the price. So I ended up just getting this. Oh, mascara. Are you in a... Because I picked this up. I was like, why are we... Are you in a... Like a... I can't say box because the box is like square, but you're in a container? Ugh. Shut up. Melt Cosmetics shut. This is the So High Curl Lock Water. Oh man, waterproof mascara. Damn. I didn't know it was waterproof. I don't care for waterproof mascaras, but oh, she's looking cute. Yeah, that's gonna stand out on my desk real good. Oh. One thing about Melt Cosmetics. Trash is full. One thing about Melt Cosmetics is their packaging is pretty cute. I mean, I don't know if you could tell. Their packaging is pretty cute. Clearly. I already have one of these boxes on my shelf. Yeah, so I'm not going to keep that one. But, and then I got this palette, which was $4.20. And I was like, that's pretty good. Like a little birthday gift to me. Yeah, I'll take it. This is the Smoke Sessions palette, eyeshadow palette. Cute. Look at these colors though. She's also got a mirror inside. Shut up, just going the whole distance. I love that. Look at these colors. And normally I'm a matte girly. Only these two are matte. The rest are like the shiniest little shimmers. But I was looking at these, I was like, oh, yes, so beautiful. And then I was looking at these and I was like, yes, the yellow. Oh, like the mustardy green and the yellow. Like the mustardy yellow and the green together. Yes. And then you have the blues and I was like, yes. So, anywho, I'm just going to put this on my face. I already have most of my face on right now. Let's hold the hair back. You beautiful little thing, you. There we go. I was like, where did the other guy go? Found it. Pull her back. Scotch tape because I don't know where my regular tape roll is. We put our oil all over this. I couldn't tell you. I like to do one of these. I like to fold over the ends so it's easier to grab. And then we're gonna come in. We taped her down. We're doing the best we can right now. This is gonna be kind of weird because I normally, with mattes, super easy for me. Shimmers not so much. Transition shades. This is gonna be kind of tough because I want to come in with, well, I think, hear me out here, or don't, I don't really care. Well, I kind of want to go darkest to lightest. We're going to start with Mean Green. I'm just going to tap it in here because I don't know what the color payoff is going to be yet. I don't think I've ever used, have I ever used Melt Makeup eyeshadows? Do I have a palette? This might be the first time I'm using their eyeshadow. And I do want a wing, so I want to bring her out here. Tap it and then swipe it. Oh. Shimmers are dangerous too because I love putting them on with my fingers. I feel like they just look so beautiful that way. Can we, yeah. That's lovely. Ma'am, hello. I love how sharp she looks from far away. Mean Green. And I know I didn't want to come in and like go super hard with the color, but now I kind of do. Because she's gorgeous. We're gonna switch it up. So I come in, just gonna dust this real quick. But I wanna come in with my more dense brush. We're a little shorter. I wanna pack this on. Yeah, that's what I want. That is what I wanted. Baby girl, hello. Shut up. I'll probably come in and like blend out the edge later. That'll be on me. But right now, okie dokie, artichoke. I definitely feel like I put this tape a lot more up than this one, and that's okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. We're lovely. What is going on here? I love it. Could you imagine if you just like dipped your finger in though? Oh, gorgeous. Next, I'm going to bring in Sweet Tooth. Again with my little dense brush. More towards the middle. Look at that. Shut up. Yeah, we're gorgeous. That's lovely. I don't know why I'm not using my mirror that's like right here. I'm trying to use the mirror way over there, but still. Look at her. This is very nice. God, they're so beautiful. And again. And then Blue Dream. Inner corner. And I always forget to do the bottom while I'm doing that color. Blue Dream either is not picking up like I want it to, or there we go. That's better. I have to bring these guys up above my eyelid. Am I okay with this now? Like, part of me wants to bring her up, and then the rest of me is like, no, she's good. You know what I'm talking about? Possibly. That's okay. Ooh. One thing I do want to do, I'm going to come in with this really flat, pretty dense, but really soft brush. I'm going to come in with the matte Space Queen. Are you like a black, or are you a dark green? And I'm just going to line it. Yeah. Even though I made my own line, I don't even come all the way to the beginning. I go like maybe halfway on my eye, my actual lid. This is good. Are we good? Are we okay? I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna set this down, but I'm like a little nervous to take the tape off. Okay. Sticky. Are you shiny tape? Just stick down. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Not bad. We're good. We're not bad. This is pretty good. I do want to come in the gentlest with a little... Okay, better. I probably didn't even do anything, but just the littlest bit right there makes me feel better. Okay. Then, where'd you go? Dense, no. Yep, there you are. Dense, I was like, fluffier, denser brush. Light color, bottom middle. I should actually use the other one. Because I feel like with this, it's getting on my lashes. I'm going to come in with this, wipe it down. Nothing fancy. Come into Sweet Tooth. Tap on both sides because I'm going to come down here. And we're doing a lash line. And I'm getting like just under. A little bit different on the, that's okay. And then Mean Green for the very edge. Way over here. Connect. Yes. Okay, that's pretty good. I feel like we're doing okay. We're looking pretty good. Is there anything I want to come back in and fluff up? Maybe. Not really. For the most part. I feel like this side doesn't want to stick. I feel like this side is not dark enough. Doesn't want to stick. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this side just doesn't wanna. Does that make sense? Like for the Mean Green, like it's just me and it's just right here. Why? This side looks really nice though. Maybe it's the lighting. Maybe it's just me, which is pretty usual. It's usually just me, and that's okay. I don't mind. But like, this is looking so lovely. Let me show you with the mascara. How does it? Bam. She's kind of big and chunky, but hello. Where do you open? Okay, there we go. I was like, she doesn't open. Are we metal? I like it. Aside from being waterproof, ooh, we got a curvy wand. What kind of formula do we have? Oh no, are we a light formula? Is there anything on you? You're not sticking to my lashes. What's going on? There's product on here. Can you stick to my Do you not want to stick to my lashes? What's going on? Wiggle, wiggle. Does this not want to stick to my lashes? Let me flip it around. Okay, now we got some force going at them. I'm getting some product. Maybe there was a reason this one was $4.20 for the mascara. I'm getting mascara on. I know, I can see that. That's okay. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. No. I mean, I do like the difference between the eyes though, still, but it is a no. So high, curl lock, and waterproof. My lashes are already curled, so maybe I should have picked a different mascara, but let's do the other side. Oh yeah, she's the one. Every time. Gorgeous. Every time. But can I do this one-handed? Barely. Anywho, this is my melt makeup with, come here, let me put my little thingies in. Oh, with the Smoke Sessions palette. I look good. I know I look good. This is really nice. We're definitely going to do a part 2 with the other side, with the golds, gold and greens, because this is nice. We can't not do that. Did anybody else pick anything up for their 4/20 April sale? Let me know in the comments, but I'm not a fan of this mascara. She got everywhere. I don't know how well you can see because you're further away, like lucky you, but like, hello. But I got it up here, I got it down here, like I'm not a fan. As far as the shadow goes, I don't think I really had any fallout. I did pack on quite a bit I did pack on quite a bit because as soon as I put it on and I saw the color, I really wanted it all. I can't help it. But yeah, this mascara is not for me. Does anybody else use this? How do you use this? Questions. I need to know. But anywho, this is it. This is the look. I'm loving it. I think it's so wonderful. Aside from this guy right here, I've loved every melt makeup product ever. I use the liquid shadows like all the time. I specifically have their own little cup here on my desk because I use them all the time. If I'm just like, I don't know what to wear, bam, default go to. Perfect. This guy though, I'm gonna need help with that. But anywho, palette Smoke Sessions were doing great. I'm just repeating myself at this point, so we're gonna go ahead and end this here. I'm gonna add this video to my eyeshadow playlist, so if you want other eyeshadow looks, tutorials, reviews, because I got a big mouth, I got a loud mouth, she's honest, go check out that playlist. But I'm just yapping. I'll catch you in my next video though. Bye.